The number one thing ordered at cafes would have to be poached eggs, fresh eggs. I like to use free-range eggs, and I like to crack it into a bowl. And I find if you crack it into a bowl first, you've got much more control as it goes into the water. Then the water. See how I've got little bubbles here? It's not rapidly boiling. If it's rapidly boiling, then it's just going to go everywhere. And vinegar is your friend when it comes to poaching eggs. So a good splash of white vinegar goes in. I've got a wooden spoon on standby and I'm going to make a whirlpool. By having a whirlpool, you'll see that the egg white wraps around the egg yolk. So let's go for it. In it goes. See how that egg white wraps around that yolk? That is a good sign that we're going to get perfect poached eggs. So once that just sets, there's no reason why you can't add another egg to the pot. You don't have to do these one at a time. In fact, you can do a couple depending on how large your pot is. I've got a small pot because I only want 2 poached eggs. If I was doing more, much larger. So again, now that that's just set, we're going to start the whirlpool again. And then we'll drop the second egg in. While they're cooking, I'm going to just make a really simple pesto to serve with this. So into a food processor, some blanched basil, some spinach, a little clove of garlic, some pine nuts, good squeeze of lemon juice, a good glug of extra virgin olive oil, and a small amount of Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to blitz this until it's really smooth. All right, eggs are ready. We'll take them out and always drain them on some paper towel before you put it on the toast because you'll get soggy toast if you don't do that. Okay, our pesto is ready. I'll grab a spoon. Turn that over. A generous spoonful. Look at this colour. Beautiful pesto. And spread that on the toast. All the way to the sides. I need to season the eggs. So just a bit of salt. And we'll just nestle them onto the pesto. And some anchovies over the top. In fact, I had this at a cafe recently and I just thought it was the tastiest breakfast ever. So crisscross the anchovies over the top. You've got to use really good quality anchovies for this. And it's that combination of the egg yolk. When you crack into that egg, it's almost cheesy. It's so delicious and decadent with those salty anchovies. A little bit of freshly cracked pepper over the top. And just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over the top. The humble poached egg, really elevated with those anchovies and that beautiful pesto underneath it. But let's have a look at these poached eggs, see if they're cooked to perfection. Let's cut into this. Whenever I see that, I'm so happy. I just love poached eggs. It's my favourite way to cook them. That with the salty anchovies and that fresh pesto. That is an exceptional dish. Poached eggs, now you know how to make them. Perfect every time.